Hello Ethereum investors and welcome to the live stream. In this video guys, we're going to be looking at Ethereum as a whole. It's going to be a complete intense analysis and an Ethereum price prediction for 2023 and beyond. So if you hold Ethereum, if you are an Ethereum investor, I want you to make sure you watch this video till the end because we will look at where we are right now in the world of Ethereum, artificial intelligence, which is coming into the world of Ethereum, and it will change everything. But also, we're going to look at artificial intelligence-based predictions. And what you're going to find is going to shock you. So I appreciate everybody who is just joining us in this live stream. My name is Great BTC, and you're watching Crypto Hustle. Thanks to everybody who has destroyed the like button below. If you haven't, you probably should. And also, thanks to all my subscribers and to everybody who just subscribed to this channel right now. And I know a lot of you guys have a lot of things to discuss based on what we discussed yesterday as well. But right now, I will go through the program and we'll get started with everything. And then at the end, you can ask me some questions. But so far, you're more than welcome to drop all your questions in the chat and also in the comments below. So, Ethereum, where do we stand right now with Ethereum? Let's start with 2022, was an incredible year for Ethereum. We basically had the Ethereum merge. Ethereum completely went from proof of work into the proof of stake algorithm, and we staked our coins, and much of them are actually still staked on the Ethereum mainnet. Currently, as we speak, we have 16 million Ethereum tokens that are staked, and we have 505,000 total validators and 5.3 APR as we stand. For those of you who are stakers, generating that income of your Ethereum, you get 5% every year. All right, now we are in 2023. Now, before I get into the trend that is going to explode Ethereum, let's first understand exactly where are we in Ethereum at the moment. All right, so before we look at actually where we are, I would want us to get into some of the news here. Ethereum developers target March 2023 for release of staked Ethereum. And if you're an Ethereum staker like myself, I stake my Ethereum and my money is still stuck in the Ethereum blockchain. I mean, I've been waiting to be able to withdraw because if you guys don't know, for people who stake the Ethereum, we still cannot withdraw our Ethereum based on the last update. So right now they say that when the Shanghai is launched, let me just read that. Ethereum developers determined on Thursday that network's next hard fork called Shanghai will have a target release timeframe of March 2023. This upgrade will include code known as EIP 4895 that will allow Beacon Chain staked Ethereum withdrawals. Developers also agreed to address the implementation of EVM object formula or format in Shanghai, which is a collection of EIPs that essentially upgrade the Ethereum virtual machine, the environment where the Ethereum is able to execute smart contracts. Those EIPs are EIP 350, 3670, and EIP 4200. 4570 and 5450. So this is really interesting because if you look at all these numbers, you can look at the 16 million Ethereum staked. Most of us cannot withdraw. The only way to withdraw has been through Lido, which is also a lot of people like to consider it as a risk to Ethereum. But net staked Ethereum in 2023, like I said, is imminent, but also there is proto-dunk sharding this fall coming up. Another item that Ethereum developers are hoping to address is proto-dunk sharding, which derives from sharding. Sharding is a method that splits up the network across several chains or shards in a way to make blockchain more scalable. Developers have compared sharding to adding new lanes to the highway. More cars are able to make use of that highway and can ideally travel down the road quicker as a result of less traffic. And also, another big thing in Ethereum in 2023 is going to be dealing with the Ethereum censorship problem. As you guys might know, the US Treasury's Office of Foreign Asset Control, OFAC, sanctioned Ethereum mixer program Tornado Cash in August 2022. Ever since then, Ethereum developers have had to deal with what that means. Some have argued that validators that are not US jurisdiction do not have to comply with the sanctions. Others are confused about what kinds of blockchain activities are allowed under OFAC's rules. Currently, 65% of blocks that have made it into the Ethereum blockchain over the last 24 hours censored Tornado Cash transactions. And you guys know this. Okay, I need to resize my screen. I would try that. What is the problem right now? Is it too small, too big? All right. So, guys, you already know that the founder of Tornado Cash has been arrested and currently is still in jail. And this is not good news for him. But the Ethereum Foundation are working extremely hard to make sure that they can find a way to decentralize Ethereum a little bit more. But because right now, a lot of people think that Ethereum has been captured. In fact, Paxful delisted Ethereum from their exchange because they don't feel comfortable having Ethereum on it anymore. It seems to be a lot of people are calling it Fed coin and all that stuff. But that all aside, there are more exciting things in the world of Ethereum, and we're going to get into those right now. Now that we explained where we're coming from and where we are and where we're going, now let's look at price activity and what's going to blow up the Ethereum price in 2023. Let's get into that right now. All right, so as we stand, okay, so this is what I was looking for. So as we stand, in 2022, Ethereum miners moved to cloud and AI computing in 2022. Since they are pushed out of the network, they cannot make money anymore from the Ethereum blockchain. So Ethereum miners, iCloud AI to repurpose equipment that the merge will make obsolete. If you were mining Ethereum, it means that right now you have moved out of Ethereum and your equipment was useless. So immediately a lot of smart miners moved into artificial intelligence and cloud computing. You know, Hive was one of those companies. Immediately they moved into computing, and now they're doing incredibly well. And this might seem insignificant, but I'll tell you guys, this was the birth of the new paradigm in crypto and in the world in general, in humanity, for humanity, in fact. As we stand, Ethereum is standing at $1,517. Like here, guys can check it out. However, moving forward from when mining was basically over or ended on Ethereum, what happened later, in November, ChatGPT was born. And after ChatGPT was born, we saw an increase in one important thing. Artificial intelligence started trending. So the miners that were on Ethereum basically saw artificial intelligence coming from a distance, and they took full advantage of it. And now the market is agreeing with them that AI is the future. And we have also seen other artificial intelligence models like New Journey, DALL-E, and others that have been popularized, and that has now established the new paradigm of tech as a whole. The new paradigm in the world of technology is artificial intelligence. You cannot deny this. Everybody right now is talking about ChatGPT. However, in crypto, artificial intelligence is not popular yet. Not much is going on. People were thinking that, blockchain is the thing, it's going to be the thing for the next 10 years. Now, I personally don't think so anymore, guys. AI is taking over. We can confirm this by simply looking at some data. Now, when ChatGPT news was blowing up, we basically saw Ethereum AI-based coins last year in December blowing up as well. We can look at some of those coins like AGIX, Singularity. Right, we can look at it here. you guys can see this has already outperformed Ethereum itself. And they pumped incredibly well during the recent rise in prices. We can also look at Fetch AI, which is another Ethereum based but AI driven cryptocurrency project. It started pumping all the way back in December before Ethereum even started pumping. And this is clear. The new trend of technology has been defined. Now, how is this going to play out in the world of cryptocurrency, and why is Ethereum so relevant in all this? I'll tell you what, it's because each and every project needs a home to build on. So all these artificial intelligence models that are being built, that trend will come into crypto. But then where are they going to be built on? They will build them onto Ethereum. Ethereum is the largest blockchain. There is speculation that it might flip even Bitcoin's market cap at some point. A lot of people are speculating that. And to prove this data to you guys, I have some numbers to show you. There is not this. Oh yeah, so this is it. So basically, this is what's happening already in the world and what's also going to happen this year. Right now, we're looking at Ethereum, what to expect for Ethereum in 2023, right? Stablecoin volumes to surpass those of Visa. Most people don't know this, but here's the deal. The use of stablecoins to move dollars around the world continues to be quite killer Web3 application. On-chain stablecoins volume, which does not include off-chain trading at centralized exchanges, it's already at $9 trillion in annualized rate. On-chain stablecoin volumes now significantly exceed the volumes of MasterCard at $2.2 trillion in 2021, Amex at less than $900 billion in 2021, and Discover coming at $200 billion in 2021. This is scary. So in 2023, on-chain stablecoin volumes will grow to well over $15 trillion, outpacing volumes at the largest card network, Visa, which processes $12 trillion in annualized volumes. Now, if you don't understand what's going on here, it means that a lot of people or more money is being moved using cryptocurrency over credit card processors like Visa in amounts, right? You can say that, okay, in users, Visa and MasterCards are still large, but in transfers, amounts in dollars, cryptocurrency is taking over in stablecoins. And this is fact. And this is not going to stop. Visa is going to be flipped by stablecoins this year, which most of them are running on Ethereum. And keep in mind, this number that I showed you here, $9 trillion is crypto that is being moved outside of Binance and all these centralized exchanges, all on-chain data. Now, if you include Binance, we basically already exceeded the Visas of the world. So this is big. Now, AI is the new trend. If you go in every tech circle or VCs, everybody's talking about AI and artificial intelligence. And if you're a blockchain builder or an entrepreneur, the smartest thing you can do right now is to start an AI project. And what is the chain that has the majority of users? Ethereum. What about the chain that has the most developers? Ethereum. What about the chain that has more money in DeFi locked in? Ethereum. And all that activity will start building on top of the Ethereum mainnet. Even if you're building on layer 2s, all that volume will come over to Ethereum. And trust me, guys, it's going to explode the Ethereum price in 2023. Each and every bull market is driven by something different. So the last bull market was largely driven by DeFi, which was also built on Ethereum. And also, it was driven at the end, it was driven by NFTs, which were also built on top of Ethereum. And this, guys, is a key indicator that AI is going to come into Ethereum as well, and it will drive the next bull run. So you should expect this year and next year to be a period where you see a lot more AI-based projects being built on Ethereum, and you have to pay attention and make smart investment. And all that is going to drive Ethereum price to the moon. Now, next, we're going to look at data. Artificial intelligence is making predictions on what is going to be the price of Ethereum. Let's have a look, and then after that, we can look at some technical analysis on Ethereum as well. All right. Now let's move on to look at some of the interesting predictions. This is coming from priceprediction.net, and they have some interesting AI that runs predictions on here. All right, and we're standing at 1.5 right now, $1,500. And the prediction for Ethereum, according to priceprediction.net's data, they say that the minimum price of Ethereum will be 2,250, which is they're basically off already on this one. They expected a larger pump. And then they're expecting an average price of $2,300 on average throughout the year, and the maximum price of $2,600. So according to their data, you should expect roughly about $2,300 as the viable average price of Ethereum this year. I mean, you have to keep in consideration that if the Ethereum withdrawals are activated in March, Ethereum could dump largely in price because a lot more people will be able to sell it. However, they say that in 2024, Ethereum average price will be 3,000, 2025, 4,000, 2026, 6,000, and 2027, 9,000. And it will get to 21,000 in 2029. I do not agree with this at all. And I'll tell you why. It's not putting any, this is all purely technical data. So it's not keeping in mind with fundamental analysis, right? So you have to take this, or you need to understand the data. You just don't want to read it as some kind of a gospel. Now, this is one model using one AI model. It's making these predictions. Now we can also switch to another prediction model that I like to use personally because I use it in my own trading. So this is Changely. Changely have their own prediction models also. And this is what they say. In January, this is their prediction. They say, according to the technical analysis of Ethereum prices expected in 2023, the minimum cost of Ethereum will be $2,249, maximum 2,600, and the average is also 2,300. So not that different from the other one. And this is for the entire year. But this is January is going to be 1,600, and Feb 1,600. March is going to be 1,800. I don't understand why, because in March, like we have read already, Ethereum's staking will be released, or at least staked Ethereum will be released from the Beacon chain. It means a lot of people will be selling. So that's why these predictions sometimes they can be very unreliable in my opinion, because they don't put fundamentals in count. Okay, and if you look throughout the year, it seems like Ethereum will be, from a fundamental and from the technical analysis that it's going to be around 2,000, which is not bad. If it's above 2,000, it's definitely not bad. Okay, and there is also another prediction model that I used this here. Pricepredictions.com. And this is what these guys say right now. Current price is this, 1.5, support level 1.4. It's currently bearish by 25%. And if you, let me switch this to like a 30-day forecast. Okay. And in Feb 2023, it's also predicting about 1,500. So based on these ideas, it seems like Ethereum will be ranging around $1,500, if not much change. And this is where I like to implement my crab strategy. I will go back into the crab strategy because Ethereum will be ranging, and I will start making a little bit of money off staking using the crab strategy or we talked about this on the last live stream. I can just show you what I do in this kind of market conditions. So I use OpenSynth. It's much more kind of an advanced derivative. So if you don't understand any of this stuff, do not do it. All right. So I use OpenSqueeze to basically do some staking, and I implement the crowd strategy. It pays when the market is going sideways. And last week I told you guys that I exited my position. Why? Because Ethereum was volatile, it was pumping, and you don't make as much money when it's pumping. So I use Open. I will make a video for the Crypto University students showing you guys how I implement this in my own trading and investing, but it's incredible. It really works. All right. And by the way, if you want to learn how to trade, invest, and really become an advanced investor in cryptocurrency or trader, join Crypto University right now, cryptouniversity.network, and grab the cryptocurrency masterclass. I teach you everything from absolute beginner to a more advanced trader and investor. Cryptouniversity.network is the name of the website. Go and sign up right after the live stream right now. All right. And we have the masterclass, the Web3 masterclass coming soon as well, which is going to blow your guys' minds. But right now, let's stick to the Ethereum. Now, I'll go back to TradingView and do some TA. By the way, if you're enjoying the live stream, I would appreciate a simple like. It goes a long way. Confuse the YouTube algorithm, guys. All right. So let's do some ETH analysis out here. What's going to happen? I should have it open already somewhere. Okay, this is Fetch, so let's just go to ETH. Now, my own prediction on Ethereum, I think Ethereum will hit, if Bitcoin gets to $40,000 this year, I think Ethereum could go above 5,000 this year. At a minimum, Ethereum could go to 5,000, especially when we see a trend being built of AI on top of Ethereum, and we get another bull cycle. I'm telling you, Ethereum will go above 5K. At extremes, could go to 10K, but right now, 5K, I think it's imminent. Because what was lacking on Ethereum was basically the source of like, what is the new innovation that will help Ethereum to exceed to the next level. And right now, artificial intelligence has basically revealed itself that it's definitely the new trend in technology. Microsoft is acquiring OpenAI because of ChatGPT, and you see a lot of major acquisitions of such amounts. So right now, this is what we look like on the daily on ETH. If I completely zoom out, it seems like we have just started a new uptrend, and we are on a critical area where we have failed to break out, but this is due to Bitcoin failing to make it to the top. And I will also switch it up to the monthly so that you guys understand how much squeezed we are. All right. So on a monthly, you could say that, oh, maybe Ethereum is still a little too high. It could fall a little bit further, but we have seen it several times failing to crumble below the support level. A lot of people have been expecting Ethereum to be below $1,000, and that hasn't worked. And if you look at the average drawdowns on a monthly, right, the worst we have seen since the decline has been $892, which we did not even stay there for too long. Every other candle since then has been a higher low than that. So this is a very good sign. You can see here the trend is basically self-explanatory that we are going on the upside. At the same time, if I come right here and even draw the tops that we have seen, you can see that we are on a breakout candle right now on a monthly. And hopefully we close this one on top in January. That will set us at a very, very good precedent to basically start exploding again. And also, if you look on the monthly right now, the most critical area where Ethereum has a lot of support at the bottom or a lot of resistance at the same time is basically from 1,000 all the way to $1,700. And we have attempted to break above $1,600, but we haven't managed to stay above it. The moment we break out and we stay on top of that, I think we basically in February already we could be hitting $2,000. If Bitcoin keeps the fire burning, we can simply see a 3,500 at any point in time. And at the top here, there is not enough volume really to keep things. So on a monthly, if we start exploding, we could simply keep on going. But if I turn off my Natras Bull to see the colors clearly, you guys are able to see, guys, clearly that we are starting a bullish trend. We are basically, after 2 months of pure red volume selling, right now we have seen buy volumes coming in, and it's not even as high as what we have seen before in terms of in October was the last time people were buying Ethereum on a monthly candle. And even though we have seen a little bit of a rise on Ethereum, you can still see that the RSI here is still below. It's still at 46. It hasn't crossed above the yellow line. It's not at 50. It's not at 60. So on the daily, we have basically made all those milestones, but we haven't been able to do it at the monthly chart. So please pay extreme attention to the monthly chart, because the moment we cross blue or MACD cross bullish on the MACD, it will symbolize that we are exploding, guys, and it takes a long time for a monthly chart to reverse, or the monthly indicator to reverse itself. So the last time this happened was we got a bearish cross was in March, April in 2022. And this entire year, if you pay attention, we have been driving on red MACD, even though we have seen some pumps and dumps. And right now, we're seeing the MACD lines tightening slowly. And very soon, we should be able to see this going bullish, because on the daily we have, and also we are almost going on a cross right here. In the RSI, we are almost getting across. All right. And I think this is going to happen. And when it explodes on a monthly and Bitcoin keeps above 23,000 and all, guys, we're going to see Ethereum exceeding everyone's expectations. And I do think Ethereum minimum this year is going to be $5,000. It will shock a lot of people. If the AI businesses starts building on Ethereum, Ethereum could go to 10, 15K in no time. That's basically my prediction right now. And if you have been bearish on Ethereum, it's maybe time you shift your, if you don't believe in Ethereum, it's time to switch your bias, because everything right now is pointing upwards. AI is coming to Ethereum. That's going to pump a lot of Ethereum tokens. Why? Because all those AI projects have to buy a lot of Ethereum to do it. There's no any other way. All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to start trading right now, you don't have a trading account, below in the description, I have links to Bybit and OKX. Go and sign up on both and start trading using those platforms. If you use my links, you get discount. And why do I tell you to use 2 platforms? Because I don't want you guys to use only one exchange. You saw what happened to FTX. If you put all your crypto on Binance or one exchange, whatever you use, you will lose it if something goes wrong. So do not trust anybody. Hedge your risk by using 2 exchanges at the same time. That's exactly what I do. So this was purely an Ethereum trading or an Ethereum investment live stream. And tomorrow I'll come back with active trading, sharing you guys some trades and positions that I'm taking. For those of you who are in my private group, my Discord group, Crypto University students, I shared some calls, some altcoins that are really hot that I think will do really well in this little upswing that we're experiencing. Go and check it out. For others who are not in there, again, join Crypto University right now, cryptouniversity.network. We have a lot coming in there. We have a lot of AI courses coming in, ChatGPT, using AI to trade and automate your trading, and all that good stuff. So if you want to change your life and make money this year, Crypto University is where you gotta be, right? It's definitely a new school university, not some BS university of the old days. That is not gonna help you with where and what's going on in the world today. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next live stream. subscribe, destroy the like button, and peace.